Someone just called into Scanifly and said that going on the roof is faster and easier than flying a drone. Let's find out if they're right. We got our ladder hoisted up to the side of that house. I got my backpack with my surveying gear, and we'll see how long it takes to get on the roof and moving around to get some measurements. I forgot that when you get on the roof in the snow for a survey, you need your shovel. How are you going to find the vent pipes otherwise? Just so for the record, I know I'm not a great surveyor. It's been many years since I've been up here, but the drone flight would have been done by now. By right now. And I haven't even gone on the roof yet. Drone flight would have been done. All right, I concluded I'm not getting on this roof. Not happening. We got 5 inches of snow, slippery. I'm gonna estimate the measurements from here. I can roughly see this is about 15 feet by 10 feet, 12 feet. I'll check it on the satellite imagery. Isn't this what most of us do in the industry anyways? And that's why we get all these revisions? Just isn't worth it. I wanna get home to my family.